Welcome to our Trusted Recovery module. Components will most likely fail, so it is important that you have procedures in place to prepare for these failures. Fault tolerance will allow you to have one of your components fail but not allow the entire system to fail, such as multiple power supplies, so if one power supply stops working, the other power supply will take over until that first one can be replaced. Backup solutions allow you to maintain a secondary copy of your data in an alternate location in case your primary system fails. You will still have a copy of the data. The trusted recovery process generally involves a system reboot into a non-privileged state in a single user mode. You can have either an emergency system restart, where the system performs a warm reboot after some insecure activity occurs, or you could have a system cold start, which occurs after an unexpected failure and the regular recovery procedure is not able to recover the system to its more consistent state. The recovery process can also involve restoring any affected files and services to their pre-failure state so that your system continues to function properly. There are different ways that systems can be designed to fail. A fail-secure state is where all access is blocked when a system stops working properly. And with these types of systems, security is the first priority, so when a failure occurs, it simply denies access to everyone. A system that fails open is when everyone is granted access when an error occurs, and this is traditionally used when availability is the most important priority. It is important to keep the system up and running, so it will fail open and allow everyone to have access. We have similar options with physical security and door locks. A fail-safe lock is concerned with safety first and provides for an emergency exit for employees, so after a failure occurs, such as a power failure, all of the doors will be open so that employees can exit the building. A fail-secure door is concerned about security first, such as a bank vault, so if a failure occurs, like a power failure, the door would stay locked. For the CISSP examination, you should know the difference between fail-secure and fail-open systems, and you should also know the difference between fail-safe and fail-secure locks, because you may see questions on both of these topics. There are several different types of trusted recovery that are specified in the common criteria. A manual recovery is where the system requires human interaction to provide recovery. Automated recovery is where the system has a mechanism that requires no human intervention for at least one type of service being discontinued. An automated recovery without undue loss is where the system can automatically recover itself and also has additional mechanisms to protect specific objects on the system. A function recovery is where a system has a recovery mechanism for a specific function, either to make sure that it is successfully completed or to make sure that it rolls back to a previous secure state. This concludes our Trusted Recovery module. Thank you for watching.